So today we are making ravioli nudi, which does not mean we're going to make ravioli while we're nude. Basically, it's nude ravioli, which is essentially ravioli without the pasta around it. It's made out of spinach and cheese, ricotta cheese. It's a really nice, light, great for dinner, good for an appetizer. You can put a little butter and sage on top of it. That would be really nice, however you want to serve it. But basically it's a simple pasta without too much flour, without too many carbs. If you go on a ketogenic diet, which I think we're going to probably start doing in order to combat this coronavirus quarantine, this is a good thing to make for that. You can limit the flour. You can use almond flour instead of regular flour if you want it to be ketogenic. But we're going to do it regular style. It's very tasty, and it's going to be a nice dinner for us tonight.
It's too close. It's not too close. We're going to start cooking spinach first. I have a big pot over here, so I'm going to put some salt. Add some 1 pound of baby spinach. It's already all washed, so I'm gonna put it right here. We're gonna cook until wilted, until tender. So probably 5 to 6 minutes. Alexa, set the timer 5 minutes.
5 minute timer canceled.
Okay, so it looks like cooked very well. So I'm gonna take these to the sink. We're gonna drain the water. And pour the water. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze the liquid as much as I can and transfer to kitchen towel. So we're gonna squeeze again kitchen towel. Basically, this is a dumpling, so we're gonna cook in the boiling water. We try to extract liquid as much as we can. Let's squeeze that. I'm gonna cut this one, cutting board. We're gonna chop the spinach really fine. I think it's still a lot of liquid, so I'm gonna fry them in the stove a little bit. So we are not really cooking, we try to extract the liquid as much as we can. Ricotta cheese, I already drained the water out like 3 or 4 hours. So this one is like a half pounds, but this much water liquid came out. So.
And we're using whole milk ricotta here.
Not really whole.
It's whole milk.
No, pasta skim.
I ordered whole milk ricotta.
Yeah, but they didn't. So this is ready. We're gonna have 1 egg, and we're gonna have Parmigiano Reggiano. We're gonna have Parmigiano Reggiano. It's always better you use fresh Parmigiano Reggiano. It's a little bit of work.
I think that when they pre-grate it and you buy the pre-grated stuff, it kind of loses some of the flavor while
Yes.
it sits there on the shelf. When you get it in a chunk like this and you grate it yourself, it's a little bit more work, but you get a better flavor.
Let's see if it's a 1 cup. It looks like 1 cup. Oh, wow, it's beautiful. Just we need 1 cup. Oh, what do you know? Perfect. 1 cup of this, half a pound of this, ricotta cheese. I'm gonna mix it. Excuse me, sir, can you hand me? I'm gonna add the spinach. Can you hand me the spinach, please? Yes, sir. Okay, it's cool. I'm gonna add spinach. I'm gonna put 1 egg, and then a little bit of what is this? A little bit of lemon zest. I'm gonna use a little bit of cayenne.
Now let me tell you, Young likes spice. If she had her way, that whole bottle of cayenne would be going in there, but
But I'm not gonna put too much, just
Right.
for the color and taste. And then we're gonna have fresh nutmeg. I'm gonna.
now you can get the pre-grated nutmeg, but it doesn't taste as good and it's not as strong as when you grate it fresh. It certainly tastes better if you just get the whole
Ooh.
nuts and grate it a little bit yourself. It smells amazing. It tastes amazing.
It smells so good. Okay, I think that's enough. This thing's so not overpowering. Okay, we're gonna mix very well. Looks good. So, can you hand me the salt and pepper, please? Good. I think we need a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, salt.
I would say that was about equivalent to a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we tend to use kosher salt.
Okay, that looks really pretty. So I'm gonna make a 1-inch bowl, and then we're gonna cook in the boiling water. Refrigerator until like 5 to 10 minutes, because I don't want this just liquid coming out and stick to the bottom.
Loved.
Just be very gentle. Oh. Do one at a time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, I need a spoon. You're so good. How did you know that I need a spoon?
No, I just have ESP, extra spoon perception.
Okay, looks beautiful. So cheese and
That's good. That's very light. You can taste the nutmeg because we use fresh nutmeg, and so it tastes really good. It almost falls apart in your mouth because it has just a little bit of flour, quite a bit of spinach, and just enough ricotta cheese to fill it out. So you get the protein from the cheese, you get the fiber from the spinach, you get the fat from the butter, and you get the flavor from everything. It's delicious.
let me.
No, you can't have any.
I forgot to add some salt and pepper, so I'm gonna add some more salt and pepper because I love it. And then more hot pepper, just for my side. There we go.
As I mentioned, she would use the whole bottle if she could.
Okay, let me taste it. So beautiful. Look at the inside. So pretty. Melting in your mouth. It's like you're not eating anything. Wow. Here we go. Wow.
This could also be a very nice Christmas dish with the red plate and the green dumplings.
So good. Wow. Really, really good. Because of the ricotta cheese, a little bit sweet,